Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. Loan Depot hit by suspected ransomware attack. It seems like a lot of mortgage companies are getting hit. Let's see what's going on. Mortgage and loan giant Loan Depot said Monday it is experiencing a cyber attack that is working diligently to restore normal business operations as quickly as possible. The Irvine, California-based company said in a brief statement on its cybersecurity incident page that it has taken certain systems offline and is working quickly to understand the extent of the incident and taking steps to minimize its impact. Loan Depot confirmed that the cyber attack in a filing with the federal regulators described the incident as involving the encryption of data, implying a ransomware attack. In response, the company shut down certain systems and continues to implement measures to secure its business operations and bring systems back online and respond to the incident. The regulatory filings read. When reached by email, Loan Depot spokesperson John Fine reiterated the company's statement by declining to comment further or say whether the company has received a ransomware demand from hackers. Loan Depot said it has Loan Depot said it has millions of customers, according to its investor website. Portions of Loan Depot's website, including its customer portal, appears to be non-functional. One error message on the login page seen by Crunch tells users recurring automatic payments are processing as expected, but there may be a delay in viewing the posted payments in your payment history. If you're seeking to make a payment, you may do so through the contact center by speaking to an agent. So that's the page that comes up with an important update. Loan Depot has experienced a cyber incident that has prompted us to take certain systems offline. We respond to by responding to that matter. We're working diligently to return to a business operation as soon as possible. And you see their times of operation. The cyber incident at Loan Depot is the latest in the series of cyber attacks targeting the loan and mortgage industry in recent months. Yeah, I've been seeing a ton of those. In November, there was a ransomware attack against Fidelity National Financial, one of the largest insurance providers in the United States. Knocked the company offline for more than a week. In December, mortgage and loan company Mr. Cooper said hackers had stolen personal data of more than 14 million customers during the October cyber attack. Mr. Cooper said it would incur at least a 25 million in additional costs as a result of the incident, largely to pay for credit monitoring of its affected customers. So that's one reason cyber guys get paid a lot. That's 25 million in credit monitoring. They haven't fixed anything. They haven't got systems back online. That's just 25 million in credit monitoring. New breach report rules that took effect in December requires companies to notify regulators of cybersecurity incidents that may have a material effect on their business. $25 million is a material effect on their business. For its part, Loan Depot said that regulatory filings that it will continue to assess the impact on the incident and whether the incident may have material impact on the company. So once again, Loan Depot hit by suspected ransomware attack. The mortgage industry is getting towed up. Once again, Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.